it got a facelift. Like, it did surgery. It went to Body Miami.
So when I look at where I'm coming from, looking back at where the journey begun, then really have to say that, oh boy, my closet was a hot mess. OMG. This is where we left off the last time, so I'm pretty much decluttering my closet. I have 3 Mega says scandal bags, but Jamaicans, would it be called a scandal bag? Because it's white. But anyway, I have 3 bags. I'm basically putting my clothes in different groups. I'm sorting them based off what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to throw away, and what I'm going to donate. The rule of thumb is if I haven't worn it in 3 years, or I guess 2 years, I probably should say 1, but in 2 years, I probably will never wear it again. And also, if it cannot fit me, I am not keeping it. I can't believe in just that small section there, I had 62 hangers. I had 62 clothes hung up. That's so crazy. My initial plan was to work with the original structure of the closet, meaning how I saw it when I came. I didn't want to like remove anything, and unfortunately I had to remove it because it was lead and it was a bit annoying, and you know, I thought it was hideous, so I decided to just remove the lower shelf, and that's what I'm doing here. Typically I try to hang up my clothes. I don't need as many shelf space as others do, so I had no problem with removing the shelf from the closet. Okay, so far we have removed the lower wire shelves, did a little bit of touch-up painting, and also filled the holes with caulking paste. Right now what I'm doing is applying this is called contact paper or a peel and stick paper. It's kind of similar to wallpaper, but it's easier to apply and remove. And this color or tone is a marble color, black and white. I really did not have a theme for this. I really didn't have a theme for this small closet. All I knew, I wanted it to look refreshed. I wanted it to look like some place that I would want to pick my clothes out of every day. And I went to Home Depot. I saw they didn't have that many different contact papers, like different variety, so my safest bet was marble black and white color, and it looks pretty cute. I'm not sure if you're able to see the vision, but that's fine. That's why I'm here. That's why you're watching this, because you're gonna see the finished product in a few minutes. But we're gonna move on. I initially bought these floating shelves from Amazon for another project, but here I am using it on my small closet renovation. Like I said, I didn't have a theme for my project. I was just winging it. I also could not find my level, so it took a longer time for me to basically mount the shelves. So what I'm doing here, I'm doing several different measurements in order to make it the line as straight as possible before I drill the holes. So it's taken a little bit longer than normal. If I had to level, it would have been a lot easier, but no, I don't. So I'm doing it the old school way, and nothing is wrong with that, you know, as long as I get the work done. Patience is king. FYI, I'm using a drywall. This is a drywall, but you also can mount these shelves on concrete walls. I'm actually using a smaller size bit because I wasn't sure where I don't know where the beams are. So for just to be on the safe side, I decided to use smaller bits. I think this was 1/8. And then after I did that and I realized that there's no beam behind the drywall, I went in with a larger size bit. You want it to be large. But you also want it to be small enough that it's smaller than the actual hole size that you want to create. So that's what I'm doing there. And after this, I'm pretty much finished. So I'm gonna be showing you my closet. Are you ready? Let's go. I cannot believe this is my new closet. Like, dead. So this is my closet in its finished state. Oh my gosh. So at the top, I have my clothes folded. I have different like sections or piles for them. They're folded based off, they're organized based off occasion. So items that I don't wear as often are on the furthest left and the furthest right to me. And as we get closer to the centerpiece, I have items that I wear more frequently, so it's easier for me to reach. Below, I have on the hangers, I've organized my stuff based off colors. I literally did not realize that I had a color pattern, if that makes sense. So I have my pinkish pastel, nudes, whites and blacks on my right hand side, which is to your left, and I have my blues, greens and oranges on this side. And down below on the floor, I have my shoes organized. I have my blacks and nudes on this side, and I should say this side, and I have my colored shoes on this side. Right below the floating shelves, I have my pocketbook that I wear, pretty much the only pocketbook that I own. And I have a storage bag where I store random stuff. And on top of the wire shelves here, if you do recall, I had some comforters at the top and some comforters at the bottom. And if you don't remember how my closet looked before, don't worry, I'm gonna insert a picture right here. It was a hot mess. But I decided to remove those comforters and put them in another storage closet. And I decided to keep 2 of my blankets from out of that pile because it had the green, the pink and the white that the closet, in terms of clothes, that the closet has. And I don't know, I thought it would be like a nice little accent piece and kind of put everything together in full circle and add warmth to the closet. As we move on over this section, I have some boxes of shoes. They're pretty much seasonal shoes, like winter wear, that I don't wear unless it's winter. So I didn't see any need to have them like laying down on the floor because I'll probably trip over them anyway, so I decided to just keep them in boxes. If you are reorganizing your closet, if you're decluttering your closet, one of the cheapest, one of the most inexpensive way to like make your closet look put together is these things right here. It's hangers. Not even this specific one. It doesn't matter if it's plastic or if it's wire. It needs to be the same color. So let's talk about the centerpiece and the marble walls. So I have on my floating shelves, I have different accent pieces. I have this aloe vera plant. I was going for flowers, but I just thought that I liked the plant, and I liked the edges, you know, the sharp edges of the plant. I was like, oh, this is cute. And I have my jewelry here. I got this from TJ Maxx. It actually says hello pretty. I'm not even sure if this is actually made to store jewelry, but yeah, that's what I decided to use it for, and it works well. And then I basically got rid of the hell and have the oh pretty, so you know me, pretty. just a reminder, everybody needs a confidence boost once in a while. And I also got, let me scoot over, I also got this picture frame thing at TJ Maxx, and it's an old photo of me back in the days, not that long ago, but I was like, I need a photo, and I just scrolled through some old stuff and I found that I like older photos. So yeah, that's me right there. And then I have the perfumes that are currently in use on display as well, just to, you know, add a little bit of I don't even know what I was going for. These are just random things that I decided to put together. Like, I didn't have like every plan in action. I didn't even have a color combination. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my closet. So I hope you enjoyed my closet transformation and my closet transformation tour, the before and after. If you haven't checked out my first video on YouTube, yes, my first video on YouTube, if you haven't checked it out, go ahead right after you finish watching this video. It's very entertaining and you'll be amused. Remember to leave a comment down below, share this with a friend. Thank you for watching, and until the next video, keep safe. Bye.
So here I want you to do for me. You like the video? Tap like. You like the video? Share it with a friend. Tell your friend to share it with another friend. And if you love the video, you like it a lot, give me a comment now. Comment down below now. I'm just saying, comment down below. Let's keep the momentum going. Big up my early subs and big up my new subs.